So smartphone design formula work on the basis of need. It's about whether you need a full view display or stable form or maybe the performance. For each and every factor we have different solutions like pop-up camera, sliding mechanism, notch, thin bezels, or even a simple design with lots of components put inside to boost the performance. Samsung recently introduced the hole-in-display tech, which kinda keeps up with the stability and in some ways provide an all-screen experience. The Galaxy S10 is really a good looking phone, both at the front and back, but with the upcoming flagship release, things might change drastically. The Note series has slowly started capitalizing on second half of the year with its absolute performance and design aspect, but it could be different this time. If you believe on leaks and Max from XDA, the Note 10 is a total mess when it comes to design. Both of them believes that the device looked bad compared to the Galaxy Note 9 and also to the current concept design. It's mainly because of the rear camera placement and also the center position camera hole on the front. Obviously we need to see an actual phone or at least a CAD render before reaching to any conclusion, but considering their track record and how confident they seem to be, I'm actually getting negative thoughts about this particular phone. Also, Samsung needs to differentiate the Note 10 from S10, so it's quite possible to get this in reality. That being said, there's more to this story than the so-called look factor. Ice Universe who's back in the game with a new leak, and this time it sounds interesting. He say, and I quote, DaVinci S Pen remote control app. DaVinci is codename for Galaxy Note 10 if you don't know already. Now there's no further explanation to this, so I guess it's about the IR blaster that will make a return after Galaxy Note 4. For those who don't know, an IR blaster basically turns your smartphone into a universal remote. The IR stands for infrared and the hardware operates through infrared rays to send commands to another device that is compatible with this tech. It could include a TV, air conditioner, or even a sound system. You can literally control any of those devices through your smartphone, and interestingly, an IR remote that is your phone doesn't need to be in the line of sight with those products. That means you can even control an IR blaster compatible device through the walls of your home if needed. Again, it's an inexpensive tech with lots of uses, and still we have to know if the leaker is talking about an IR blaster or just that the S Pen will do what it's capable to do right now on the Galaxy Note 10. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.